the Prius. It is ubiquitous in the US, but I've seen less than 3 of these cars on the road my entire life here in the Philippines. So I thought that it wasn't sold locally. I was surprised when Toyota said that they're actually sold here, but dealerships don't carry them on stock. You'll have to specifically ask for one. Most Filipinos, including yours truly, aren't even aware that these cars are for sale here. Anyway, I'll shut up for a while and let a Toyota representative guide us through the features of the Prius.
Sige,
Okay.
anong differences niya?
So,
Drive, ano?
so yung one is yung push button switch, then we have this yung shift lever niya. So, ang difference lang niya with the typical automatic is yung park niya is push button. Pero pag when you're shifting to drive, all you have to do is just shift to D from the lever. Then for the parking brake, we have the foot brake on the left, upmost left po na pedal.
Tapos saan yung...
This is the energy monitor. So right now it says na petrol engine is working to charge the battery. Yung arrow papunta sa generator from the petrol engine to the generator, then to the hybrid battery. Also, you can see sir sa windshield yung heads-up display for the speed and the energy monitor. Then we have the switches for the control and display po, for the radio and the display.
So,
Sige po.
drive.
Yung drive po din
Ito, tapos ito.
down po. So naka-drive na po tayo. Then yung foot brake na lang po. Yan po. Then
Okay, sige.
for safety. So na-notice niyo sir, ayun, pa on and off yung petrol. So he supports to charge yung battery. Then we switch again to electric.
Pag nababrake siya, nag-regenerate yung battery.
Yes, up. Yung petrol engine is 1.8 na 1ZR.
Sir, di ba ito full option to?
Yes po, for the pre. At least mga 6 bars, 6 to 5 bars, pwede ka mag-EV. So ideal yun pag stop and go traffic. Depende po sa condition. Like, halimbawa po, ang apak po sa accelerator is napakabigat po. So, petrol engine will support to give you more power po. Pero pag medyo cruising ka lang, then slight apak,
Pag ganyan,
electric motor
siya.
Apo. Yan, electric po yan.
Yung sasakyan naman ang bahala na doon eh, no?
Yes po, yung ECM na yung magde-decide.
Wala pa siyang modes na para
Power,
mas
eco.
power, parang ganun.
Meron po, yung drive mode po, katabi ng EV mode.
Ito.
Apo.
Drive mode.
Yan, may normal, may power, may eco mode din po. Then right, maya po pag nakahinto tayo, pwede niyang patayin both electric motor and engine. So walang hatakbo, walang nagko-consume. Ang nagko-consume lang yung aircon and yung electricals. So powered naman po yun ng hybrid battery.
Automatic siya mag-off? Or?
Yes po. Yun po yung start and stop system natin.
Pero pa kami gas on, sorry.
Yes po.
Pag naka-eco ba yan? Pag ganun?
Yes po. Either eco, normal, or power.
Ito po yung 120.
2.3.
Ayan ba yung presyo?
Yung presyo, tama no? 2.3. Ayun mo.
Kala ko yung ano. Sorry.
Prius 1.8
Ito
hybrid.
yung 1.8.
1.8 hybrid is 2.249. Sana kasi bigyan tayo ng support ng government. Sa ibang bansa, ang layo ng difference ng price. As in talagang kahit yung mga Uber, Grab, yun yung kinukuha eh.
Ano yung mas mura, sir?
Malaking subsidy din. I think pati nga parking, may ano sila eh, may discount or free parking pag hybrid.
Ayos.
Yung consumption niya.
Actually sir, we cannot disclose yung pinaka-consumption kasi ang naging study, it depends on the driver pa rin eh. Pero share ko lang yung past customer namin na nag-request siyang makakuha ng consumption. So from here, Pasay, EDSA, binagtas namin up to Monumento, Friday afternoon. So we retrieve 22 kilometers per liter. Then hindi pa masaya yung customer. Hindi pa siya masaya dun sa 22.
Gusto niya wala siyang mag-asa sa fuel. Hindi naman kasi hindi naman full electric.
Yung start-stop niya, mag-activate siya
Automatically na po.
pag naka-stop ka ng ilang seconds.
Mga 2 to 3 seconds po. And given na hindi ka nakaapak sa sa accelerator po. Then pansin nyo po yung monitor, yung arrow papuntang battery. So nagcha-charge siya ngayon ng deceleration and braking. Yung fuel po natin yung nasa taas na bar. So nung Wednesday pa po yan.
Namatay na ba siya?
Opo, namatay na po.
Hindi ma-detect.
Hindi mo detect.
Tapa ko sa gas.
Ayan, electric po.
Okay.
Opo.
Pag all electric siya, yung range niya, may
Distance po na kaya niya takbo. Actually sir, depende rin po eh. Like kung flat surface, tas kung gaano ka makatipid, yung last namin is around 20 to 30 kilometers lang.
yung
Pero depende pa rin po, yung iba nga po mas malayo pa eh. Kasi na-try namin Tagaytay pababa. Kaya niya, nababa niya, walang tumakbong petrol, electric lang talaga.
ano pala combined horsepower nung
Combined horsepower, kasi yung engine is 121, yung electric motor is 96. 121 plus 96,
tapos din
mga 200 din.
Kahit naman tayo?
Diretso pa po. Actually sir, if you heard the news, yung na-receive ng government for police cars and other government vehicles, ganito na rin po. Yung latest din po yung binigay. I think donated yun ng Japan. Then we have service sa Global City, dalawa from DOE na ganitong unit.
Pero bira yung
Unit na ganito. Yes po. We've learned na kasi hindi aware yung ibang customers natin din. Pero
wala sa mga showroom, di ba?
yes po eh. Kasi per order basis po siya. Pero mag-good kayo sir, ang pinaka marami dito sa atin, Lexus Hybrid. Yan, marami po.
Tsaka ang mahal kasi. Murahan niya para.
Yung iba po kasi yung range ng NX 300 na hybrid, dadagdag ka na lang around 200, 300, yun na yun eh, on top of this.
Yung price.
200 or 500, maliit lang.
Kaya pala.
Mas maganda to dito sa atin.
Kaya ganun, dito ang price difference.
Oo nga.
Toyota rin yung Lexus.
Yes.
There's been plenty of talk of when electric vehicles would become more popular in the Philippines, but we haven't even adopted hybrids yet. As the Toyota representative said, these vehicles cost more here because, unlike in the US, they're not subsidized by the government. This Prius right here costs 2,249,000 pesos, or 43,000 US dollars. That's almost twice its cost in the US. Aside from the lack of government support, another reason why hybrids are not as popular here is that diesel is pretty cheap, and those looking for good fuel efficiency go for diesels. Anyway, would you buy a Prius at 2.2 million pesos? And if not, how much would it have to cost for you to consider buying it?